It was returning back after the governor had been dropped in Guwahati. So the carcass was returning back, and that time there were few miscreants who had thrown some stones at them. One vehicle was damaged. We mentioned this in the meeting today, and even the senior leaders and the headmen from the locality have mentioned that the parents, the senior citizens, the elders have all been, last 2 nights have been themselves roaming around and moving around within Mawlai to ensure that there is peace. So there has been a lot of participation from the elders out here. And when we mentioned this, they themselves said that in spite of all these involvement of the society to ensure peace, some stray incidents did take place, and they have also accepted that. But they have maintained, this is the words of the leaders from the Mawlai area, that these are stray incidents, but by and large, the community, all the seniors, all the elderly people have all been together and ensuring that they have been coming out and ensuring that there's peace in the locality, in the area.
Will any action taken in this attack case, sir?
So obviously, we are inquiring into it. Let's see, and information comes to us, then appropriate. Only after the evidence or information comes to us, then only we can.